So if you already know how to speak a little bit of Portuguese and then you're in a conversation, then you need to learn a few phrases to make sure that the conversation doesn't come to a halt. For example, if you're not sure if someone's understanding you, if you need to ask somebody to speak slower or repeat what they said, then that's what we're going to help you with in this section.
Desculpe, mas eu não entendo.
I'm sorry, but I don't understand.
Yeah, this is the formal way. Desculpe. Because if it's informal, will be desculpa with a A, and then it's the same. Desculpa, mas eu não entendo. I don't understand. Another sentence you can use is desculpe, pode falar mais devagar?
Sorry, could you speak a little slower?
Desculpe, pode falar mais devagar?
And now what if you're talking to a friend informally?
Desculpa, podes falar mais devagar? So I added an S to that verb.
So what if somebody says a word or a phrase and you think you might have a chance at understanding if you just hear it one more time? Then you can say this.
Desculpe, pode repetir? Pode dizer outra vez?
Can you say that again? And we can convert this to informal as well by just changing the first verb.
So it could be podes repetir or podes dizer outra vez? And you can always throw a desculpe or desculpa in the beginning and a por favor at the end.
Pode repetir, por favor.
And maybe some apologetic body language. Desculpe, pode dizer outra vez?
Pode dizer outra vez?
Desculpa, mas eu não entendo. Desculpa, mas eu não entendo.
Desculpa, mas eu não entendo.
Desculpa, mas eu não entendo.
Desculpe, pode falar mais devagar?
Desculpa, podes falar mais devagar? Desculpa, podes falar mais devagar?
Desculpa, podes falar mais devagar?
Desculpa, podes falar mais devagar?
When you know you are about to navigate a new situation, like getting your hair cut or going to the dentist, try to imagine in advance what you'll be asked and what you'll need to say. Don't be afraid to talk to yourself. Okay, maybe not when you are in public. Save it for when you are at home or just talk to yourself silently, in your brain. Having these mental conversations with yourself can help you become better prepared and more confident. It will also reveal in advance whether you have all the vocabulary you'll need for that new situation. You'll be able to plan your next study session around the kind of language you'll actually need to use in the near future. You'll be much more likely to commit what you're learning to your long-term memory after having used it in a real conversation.